To refresh MetaTrader 5 on your PC, first, make sure that the platform is open. Look for the terminal window that displays the market data and your account information. If you want to update the charts or your trading account information, you can easily do this by clicking on the Refresh button in the toolbar. This button usually appears as two arrows forming a circle, and clicking it will update the data displayed. Another way to refresh the data is by right-clicking on the chart or in the Market Overview section. From the context menu that appears, select the option to refresh or update. This will ensure that all the price movements and market conditions are current. If you notice any discrepancies or lag in the data, refreshing is a simple solution. You can also apply a more comprehensive refresh by closing and reopening the trading platform. This resets all connections and retrieves the latest market data from the server. Keep in mind that doing this will log you out and may require you to enter your account details again. Lastly, if you are still experiencing issues with refreshing data, consider checking your internet connection. A stable and secure connection is crucial for real-time updates in MetaTrader 5. If problems persist, you could also try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance.